crown jewel.
Scottish warrior Drew McIntyre. Singles matchup since January 2nd.
Issues are seemingly getting worse by the week.
It is put up or shut up time for Drew McIntyre. First title defense as the WWE champion made it pretty clear that she is.
Nice one, Sandro. I was either one of these two men.
Able to catch Seth and a belly-to-belly throw. Spine buster by McIntyre for the championship and a kick out at 2.
Once again, not looking for a cheap path to victory.
Oh, what a kick by McIntyre!
Dropping the big man.
And running knee, down goes Drew.
Clear. Rollins is showing no.
And that time, Rollins with a Falcon Arrow. Kick out by McIntyre at 2. And now, Drew McIntyre with a suplex of his own. One for a buckle bomb. Future shot DDT. And a kick again by Rollins.
Yeah, those kick out.
And now McIntyre sent over the top rope to the floor. Here comes Rollins. Suicide dive. Drives McIntyre to the floor. Oh, no! Back to the stairs. And a side slam to the apron by the #1 contender. Turns it around into a pedigree. Rollins with a chance. McIntyre barely gets the shoulder up. Oh, goodness, a belly to belly. And now the neck breaker by McIntyre. Rollins, though, and now Seth with a stop. McIntyre kicked out of the stop at 2. And the world title match continues. And now, and a Claymore! Claymore! Rollins kicked out! Rollins kicked out! This with a Claymore! And a stop! Paying the World Heavyweight title! Got him! Seth Rollins retains! Rollins retains the title for Drew McIntyre. Oh! Mr. Money in the Bank, Damian Priest.
I'm going to take his title. I'm going to beat his ass for the title. What the hell is that?
Behind the ring post, and it's Sami Zayn. Thwarting the opportunity by Damian Priest.
Rollins may have just broken the record.
Congratulations. For the women's fatal 5-way for the Women's World Championship.
Nia Jax, Raquel Rodriguez, Shayna Baszler, Zoe Stark, Rhea Ripley.
Rodriguez, Baszler, Jackson, Stark. Fatal 5-way as part of Riyadh season. The ring, and remember, Nia Jackson, Ripley, and now Raquel Rodriguez. Zoe Stark and Rhea Ripley go at one another.
The biggest, the strongest for sure, gets her chance tonight.
Raquel was going for the, and now Rhea Ripley with Baszler driven to the mat. Nia Jax arrived on the scene. She went right after Rhea Ripley. Nia Jax leg dropped to the champion. A champion one day. Oh, goodness. Is Rhea gonna tap? Nia Jax.
Checking on Nia Jax.
Nia Jax may be out, but Zoe.
Added momentum.
Tremendous.
In the middle of that ring. And who?
Second rope going for the Annihilator. Rhea Ripley, though. Two most powerful women on Monday Night Raw. And Stark. Stark, top rope. Leap. Stark now. G360 catches Rhea and the championship. Nia Jax breaks it up. Annihilator, Raquel Rodriguez went for a Tejada bomb by Shayna Baszler.
The champ was fading.
Raquel Rodriguez, Raquel, and a riptide on top of Raquel. Baszler, Ripley will retain. The unstoppable Eradicator. Rhea Ripley.
Mommy's always on top. I told ya.
John Cena takes on the Bloodline enforcer Solo Sikoa.
Solo Sikoa.
The Samoan spike, which could come into play tonight.
It's been a long road. Let's turn the map around. Let's go to work.
Saudi Arabia when he defeated the Game Triple H. Past very candid about his time here in WWE.
Attacking that hand, perhaps the thumb.
John Cena with a very raspy voice because of what this Cena knows
as he ever was.
Oh! And again, continuing to make, and now Sikoa with a headbutt drives Cena back to the middle of the ring.
Additional motivation.
Oh, spin kick by Solo. Punish Cena at the behest of Roman Reigns.
Father Time is undefeated.
Sikoa from the second rope.
Facing guys like Solo Sikoa when you've been out of the spotlight.
Solo Sikoa now backing it up. Solo Sikoa again misses the spot. Locked in by John Cena. And forces Cena to break it out. Follows it up with a clothesline. Oh no! Stamina, which Cena has been so proud of. Looks exhausted in the corner as again.
A second win.
And Cena now has Solo where he wants him with a 5-knuckle shuffle. Able to counter into a Samoan drop. Cena, a choke slam. This time, it's a spinning Solo. John still kicks out. Again by Sikoa. Takedown.
Solo Sikoa, something I never thought we'd see, but that desperation lunge. Look at the powers of recovery.
Oh, he got him. He got him with a spike. And this time, a third Samoan beatdown of the greatest of all time.
Muscle 4, Cena.
A man who has selflessly given of himself to children, the greatest of all time. And so much more. I can't wait for the WWE.
Welcome to the most must-see WWE talk show in history. My guest tonight is one of Saudi Arabia's own.
He's funny as hell, Wade. He's the Joy Award winner.
Habibi the Miz. Crown jewel here in Riyadh, baby.
Oh no. Are you kidding me?
It's nice to finally have an actual movie star on Miz TV.
Is this for real right now? This looks like Australian public access. They're getting Cristiano Ronaldo, and you want them to settle.
It's on your show. You are jealous of the greatest.
Guys. To be at the hottest talk show, Miz TV.
Get out of my ring right now. Yep. Oh!
That was pathetic. Oh, that. And now Miz with a skull-crushing finale.
Outfit than your orange singlet. Here we go.
He's going to steal the move. The people's elbow. I'm so glad Miz TV finally cancer eyes in the United States Championship against WWE Hall of Famer. Let's go.
Logan Paul!
No matter what he's doing, everybody at work.
Rey Mysterio!
Very proud United States champion.
What Logan Paul did, what an incredibly smart.
Against Logan Paul. What do you need to do to take the title from Mysterio? Collar and elbow tie up. Logan Paul using his
Immediately going for that power game again.
and Mysterio. Now the United States champion from the second rope. Down goes Logan Paul. And Mysterio sends Paul in a 619 position. Now rolling through on Mysterio.
He's been studying.
There's a nice leg. Mysterio gets the shoulder up. Sends Rey into the corner now.
Knocking the stuffing out of Rey early, slowing this, pulling out moves like this tilt-a-whirl here. That is really impressive.
Pressing Mysterio above his head.
Around Logan Paul.
Oh no! Shoulder first to the post, and now Mysterio. And now Mysterio gonna fly. Suicide dive. Down goes Logan Paul.
Showboating just allowed a window.
But his knee buckles just a bit, and that may have cost him. And now Rey Mysterio wrestles Logan to the center of the ring to make it to the bottom rope to force a break, which he does.
In his body to pull him over.
Oh my goodness!
Many years, I've maybe met 3 guys capable.
Rey Mysterio turns him around into a sunset bomb. Almost had him in a kick out.
Who has perfected that, but again,
and now look at this.
Right. The lightning strike twice.
Well, there go the brass knuckles. And Tulsa Escobar of Mysterio's LWO.
You do not want to fight.
No idea. 619 connecting though. To put, oh my goodness. Knockout punch. Knuckles. Logan Paul is the United States champion.
Necessary.
Right at the last minute. The brass knuckles.
You're legendary. Just do what I have to do, my man.
Hold the United States title as the WWE heads down under. We'll make no bones about it. Bianca Belair.
Vengeance, a score that will not be settled.
Past couple of months.
Yeah, it always amuses me when the peanut gallery, genius of the sky for a reason, never more at home, cash in, of course, the attacks afterwards.
And here we go. Bianca Belair. Bianca, the more powerful of the two.
You can get down and dirty with the best of them.
Down goes the champion. Knows how to combat it. Now Io driven into the corner. And it.
Dragon screw.
Bianca Belair. You mentioned the long reign of
her competitive nature.
Oh, nice suplex by. Face first goes Bianca. Oh, stop right to the midsection. Oh, and look at this. Bianca Belair trying to shake some. Oh!
On that knee.
And Bianca,
oh,
defenseless switch for Belair. Oh, goodness, dropping Io on her face. But Bianca able to block and using her power yet again.
That would have been nasty.
Bailey from Damage Control, who was put through the announce table.
Bailey.
I'm watching her. Trust me.
A mad scramble. That was for Io Sky.
Io top rope. Moonsault. Bianca taken out. Submitting Io Sky. And Io Sky now. Belair kicks it too.
Uppercut at a second attempt.
Yeah, but Bianca Belair with a spine buster. Up goes Sky. Down goes the champion.
Shades of Beth Phoenix.
Launching himself out over the top rope. Now Io Sky.
Sky caught Bailey.
And now Bianca Belair understanding
of Bailey.
And now Belair looking for the KOD. And then now.
What is this?
Staring at. Is that. Ooh. Kairi Sane is back with Belair in trouble. A knee drives Belair to the post.
Too soon. Oh,
Io Sky with a moonsault. Hook of the leg. Retains the championship. Kairi Sane delivers the patented elbow. Bailey looks like she has no clue what just happened. Cody Rhodes faces off against Senior Money in the Bank, Damian Priest.
Damian Priest.
When he's in a mood as bad as he is,
He's been trash talking with Damian Priest.
He's claiming 100%, but whoa, wait a second.
And Damian Priest wastes a little time.
Jump, you might as well take it.
Cody Rhodes going right after Priest as the bell rings and we're underway. Ankle, and Priest capitalized.
Tells me he's clearly not. That's just fighting game talk.
And Cody now exploding out of the corner and down goes Priest. The injured ankle causing Cody, at least at this point,
you sense things, and it's a great thing when you can derail.
It drives Priest face first into the post.
Cody using his momentum against it.
And now driving Priest up onto the announce table.
What?
And there's the reckoning. It was the...
Playing a popularity contest.
Put Cody Rhodes away, big smile on his face, able to turn it around into a crossroads of his own.
We just witnessed when there's nothing you can do to make...
J.D. McDonough runs into a right by Cody. Distraction. South to heaven choke slam by Priest. And Cody able to kick out. Just the other guy in Judgment Day. Dominic. And main event. Down goes McDonough.
Scurrying away like rats are the rest of Judgment.
Cody Connor. Crossroads. Crossroads number 2. Cody wins. This unprecedented reign as the undisputed champion.
Well, this entire audience are certainly thrilled.
Bruno's second reign of 1,237 days. So wait, here's how I look at this for Roman Reigns. Verse out of this match. And Roman Reigns up in this matchup. And Knight with a swinging neck breaker. And ran out of the blocks.
Absolutely right. The storm was always coming when the pressure is on and when you're in that ring. I don't know if that's affecting LA Knight in the same way, though. And I hope that pays dividends for him here.
When he was running a model agency. Oh, down goes Reigns. And LA Knight now takes advantage. Reigns has got the champ's advantage. And now Knight driven again into the steel steps by Reigns. You know better than anyone that a championship opportunity.
Just sense LA Knight is still desperately trying to get best of a generation.
Oh, and Roman Reigns, inside leg hook. Knight has to kick it too. A 3.5-year title reign. And now an LA Knight now. That side Russian leg sweep. Reigns has got to kick it too, and a near fall for LA Knight. The dunk underneath, and plants LA Knight with a rock bottom. Roman up on his shoulders, and there's a neck breaker. And Roman Reigns, though, with a Superman kick at it, too.
And that name check elbow.
Roman struggling. LA Knight.
Ridiculous.
European champ, and Roman kicks out.
Well, the momentum.
And wait a minute, Solo Sikoa now in the aisleway. Jimmy Uso is dragging the undisputed champion. And now LA Knight. Superman punch by Roman Reigns. Spear! LA Knight kicked out of the spear. Roman Reigns is irate. Roman Reigns
knocking on oxygen and failing in that attempt.
Knight is fading, trying to lock it in. Knight will back him into the corner.
Yeah, this all.
Maybe not. LA Knight. BFT. And a championship, and Jimmy Uso saves the match off the record-setting reign of Roman Reigns. Reigns center to the post, face first, and into the barricade. Knight, though, puts Jimmy Uso through the table. The equation. Spear through the barricade. Roman Reigns sends Knight back into the ring. Roman Reigns wants to beat Knight center of the ring. Roman Reigns retains.
Going into this one, he is the most fortunate man on planet Earth.
As Roman Reigns continues